Now we shall discuss one question based on the chapter permutation and combination. See, the statement is how many three digit number, three digit means unit place, tenth place, hundred place, or sometime it is also called as the one place. How many three digit number can be formed from the digit 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, and assuming that repetition of the digit is allowed and second part repetition of the digit is not allowed. Now see, how can we say repetition of the digit is allowed? Repetition of digit is allowed means whatever the digit you use here, you can again utilize the same digit. For example, out of this, if we want to make a number of 3 digit, I can write 999. See, all these digits are repeated. If I write that 971, in this case all these digits are different. So in total there are 5 different numbers available to us, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we have only 3 space to fill. So out of these 5 we can fill any one of these. For example, if we want to fill any one of the number, then total 5 numbers are available to us. 5 numbers. Out of these 5 I can choose any one. So I have 5 choices. So this place can be filled by 5 ways. After that, if we observe, 1 is filled because repetition is allowed. It means whatever the number I have filled, I can fill it again. So this place also again can be filled by 5 ways, and this again can be filled by 5 ways because repetition is allowed. So total number of ways are 5 into 5 into 5, that is equals to 125 ways. Now see the second part of the question. In this question he say repetition of the digit is not allowed. Unit place, ones place, tenth place and hundred place. When repetition of the digit is not allowed, not means whatever the number you use first time, you can't use it again. It means what? Out of these 5 you can use any one number. So ones place can be filled by 5 ways. Second place can be filled by now 4 ways, because you already used one number out of these. So one number used by you, for example you utilize 8, then how many numbers are left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this place can be filled by the 4 ways. In third one, if 2 number will be occupied by the you, for example you occupied these 2 number, then how many are left? Only 3. So this number can be filled by the 3 ways. So total number of ways are 3 into 4 into 5. So total number of ways are 60. Now how can you represent? You simply say ones place can be filled by the 5 ways, 10th place can be filled by the 4 ways, 100th place can be filled by the 3 ways. Therefore total number of ways are, that is 5 into 3 into 4, that is equals to 60. In the similar you can write down here total number of ways are. Clear? I hope you understand about the concept. Now see one more question. Again we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 different digits are given to you, and what he say in the statement, how many 3 digit even number, he specially say 3 digit even number. 3 digit even number can be formed using these 6 digits, and digits can be repeated. Now the important thing is digit can be repeated. First step, can be repeated. Number 2, even number. These are the things. If you see the previous question, in which we never discuss about whatever the number come here, you add the ones place, no problem at all, because one special thing is not given to us. He say it should be a 3 digit number. maybe even and odd. It is not necessary, but now the necessary condition is that number must be even number. Now see, this ones place, this 10th place and 100th place. Whenever we write down a number, for example, we write down here 3, 5 and 2. How can we decide the number is even? We never see these numbers, we see only the last digit. If last digit is divisible by 2, means 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, definitely we can say the number is an even number. Maybe the number is so much large, we never check the number, we check only the last digit. So it means the last digit is quite important to make an even number. So if these number you see, how many numbers will satisfy your condition? Number 1 6, number 2 4, number 3 2. There are the three numbers 6, 4 and 2 which can occupy this space because the number said to be even number. If we want to make an even number, it means this ones place can be filled either by 6, either by 4 or either by 2. It means we have only three options, 6, 4 and 2. So this ones place can be filled by three ways. Out of filling any one number, now you can substitute any of the number because even number will be formed with the help of last digits only. But he also give the condition digit can be repeated. It means whatever the number you use, you can again utilize the same number. It means again there are 6 number available to you. So this 10th place can be filled by the 6 ways. This 100th place can be filled by the 6 ways. So total number of ways are, that is 6 into 6 into 3. So how many are there? 6 into 6, 36 into 3, 108. See, in this question he say even number digit can be repeated. If he say not repeated, in that case what to do? See, again digit is 3 digit number, ones place, 10th place, 100th place. This number can be filled again by the 3 ways because we need even number, but not repeated. Repetition is not allowed. It means out of these 3, if we take any one number from here, then how many are left? For example, if I filled 4 here, then how many numbers are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this space can be filled by 5 ways. After filling one more number, how many are left here now? 4. So next is 4 ways. Total 4 into 5 into 3. How many number of ways are? 60. Because in this repetition is not allowed. So be careful when you do the